So Florida Atlantic University released the results of a study that they had concluded that the South Florida housing premiums are growing despite slowing rents. And this is kind of like what you were saying, that it makes more sense right now to rent than it does to buy. But according to the end of March data from the top 100 U.S. housing markets, the typical home in South Florida is 34.7% overvalued compared to its long-term pricing trend, up 15 basis points from the month before. And this kind of goes, Phil, along the line, the narrative that you're saying that the sellers don't want to admit the fact that they're going to have to drop the price if they want to sell. And, they're not fixing things. They're living on the floors. They can't afford any. These sellers can't afford anything. They certainly can't afford to even spend any money on their house to bring it up to snuff, to even ask or make it somewhat look like it's worth the money that they're asking. But it goes on to say, and this is quoted here, that this trend does concern me as prices are still going up in the Miami metropolitan area, but not in the rest of the measured areas in Florida. And this quote's from Ken Johnson, a PhD real estate economist with FAU's College of Business.